Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in my video, I would be showing you how you can take care of your skin in a very cost-effective way. And for that, you need to follow some steps. They are the cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Who doesn't want flawless skin? But when you want products that fit into your budget, you need to be choosy because you cannot compromise with the quality. That is why I have selected products that would fit into your budget and you don't have to compromise with the quality. For the cleansing, toning, moisturizing, I have come up with products of very popular, well-known brands. What are they? Let me show you. For the cleansing one, I have chosen the deep pore cleansing milk from Ayur. This is a 200 ml bottle and it cost me about 90 rupees. So you can understand that this is a very budget friendly product, and this is something which you should go for when you want to go for, when you want deep pore cleansing. And this is a milk based product, so obviously dry skin or normal skin people can go for. Even this can be used by oily skin people as well. This is for all skin types, but I recommend that you don't use it when you have acne, pimple, irrespective of the skin type. While removing the dirt or the impurities, it doesn't leave your skin dry. Best thing of this product is that you can use it when you want to remove the makeup. Doesn't matter whether it is light or heavy, this works. For the heavy makeup, I totally love this one because this is something, it suits my skin, and this is very gentle to the skin. This is very effective for the dry skin people because this product is enriched with aloe vera, rose and cucumber. So this is a herbal product. For the toner, I have selected the rose toner from VLCC. Again, VLCC is a very popular, well-known brand, and this is enriched. This toner has rose extracts, obviously, so the fragrance is very nice. It actually rejuvenates your skin, and after cleansing milk you should definitely go for this kind of a toner. And this comes in a 100 ml bottle and it cost me about 170 rupees, actually less than that, because I got it I bought it from Nykaa and I got it at a discounted rate of 10 to 15% or maybe more than that. So you get into 15% discount almost every time when you buy it from Nykaa, so you can definitely go for this one. This VLCC rose toner, as can be seen. And last but not the least is the moisturizer. So moisturizer, I have selected the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. This is best. This is not greasy. This is not at all greasy. This is very light to your skin, and this can be used by any people who have, irrespective of the skin type. This comes in a 50-gram container. Actually 30% extra I have received, so this is complete. This is a 65-gram container now. So and it cost me about 100 rupees. So you can understand, you will get all these three products under 350 rupees, which is the best, because you don't have to worry about the money, you don't have to worry about the expense. They are very reasonable and you will get that flawless healthy skin that you always want. And apart from these three steps, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing, another two steps are the scrubbing and the face pack. So twice or at least once a week scrubbing is required, but please make sure that you are going for a scrub which has very soft granules. So don't rub your face like this. Use it in a very gentle way. But I am not showing the scrubber, the budget friendly scrubber. In another video, if you want to know a scrubber which is budget friendly, definitely do let me know in the comment section. And the face pack is another step that you have to go for, I think twice or thrice a week. So apart from this, you have to drink a lot of water. Yes, it's very important that we drink water in adequate quantity so that we have a very healthy skin. Until and unless we have, adequate amount of sleep, we are having adequate amount of water, doesn't matter what we do, our skin is not going to glow. So it's very important that we make sure that we are having a lot of water, and we are also having good sleep. Yeah.